The buy and sell volume indicator, known as the Waddah indicator, is offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the chart. Additionally, traders can refer to this page to understand how the indicator works and operates. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file and execute the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Just make sure to enable the Allow DLL Imports option from the Complete section and then click the Confirm button once the indicator is executed on the chart. So an oscillator window will be displayed at the bottom of the chart. The way the buy and sell volume indicator works is such that when we are in a trend, for example, here we are in a downtrend. When the negative volume increases, like in this section, where the volumes are increasing, we can see that our positive volume decreases or remains constant, which can indicate a price decrease, as we see here, with the red bars becoming fuller and lower, compared to the blue bars, which represent our positive volume, and the gray color indicating sideways movement, and neutral volume in the market. We see that the positive volume in this section has decreased and the negative volume has increased, or in an upward trend, we see that our positive volume is increasing or remains constant. And our negative volume is more or less at a stable level. In the Settings section, under the Input tab, there is only one option available for us, which allows you to select the time frame for calculating an indicator. This section displays the current time frame, meaning it shows your current time frame regardless of which time frame you are in, and you can choose time frames lower than the one you are currently in. For example, if I select a 30-minute time frame here and then click Confirm, the indicator gives me a warning. The reason for this warning is that the time frame you are in should be larger and higher than the selected time frame within your indicator. However, I have selected a 30-minute time frame here, and my chart's time frame is set to 15 minutes. If I change my time frame to 1 hour there, we can see that it displays the volume in this section. Well, friends, we have reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.